Hi, this is John from Hotwire. We're going to do a video today on how to test a rectifier. This is specifically the rectifier used in the KISS wind generator, but you can do this test on just about any kind of automotive rectifier, even though they might look a little bit differently. They all work pretty much the same way. The basic unit involved here is a diode. Diode is a one-way electrical valve that allows current to flow in one direction and blocks current flow in the other direction. It takes a minimal amount of voltage to cause current to flow in the normal direction, and that's what our meter is going to read. Right now you can see it's reading OL, probably for out of limits, and there's nothing attached to the test leads at this point. When we hook up the test leads to a diode, it's going to give us the breakdown voltage. The diodes inside of the rectifier are set up like this. There's 6 diodes. We have 3 terminals in the middle, illustrated here, and we're going to test one diode now in one direction. We have about 0.5 volts showing on our meter. When we reverse the test leads, we get the same reading, OL, doesn't change. So we can go across all of them like so. We get about 0.5 volts on each one. And in the other direction we get out of limits. And the 2 halves of this rectifier are separated by plastic insulators, so the finned aluminum part is actually part of the electrical circuit. And on this side, about 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and in the other direction, out of limits, so no current flow. So we've just tested each diode in both directions with a meter. Now, if you don't have a meter, it's possible to do the same test with a battery and a test lead. And what I'm going to do is hook the test lead up like so. I'm not too worried at this point about the polarity, because I'm going to test in both directions and I should get current flow in one direction and not in the other direction. So, hooking our light up, touching the copper colored tab, we have current flow in that direction. If I reverse the polarity on our battery, we get no current flow in the other direction. And so we can go through and test each one of the diodes in the same manner. So that's how we test a KISS rectifier. If you have any questions, give me a call. John at Hotwire 727-943-0424. Thanks.